Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to expand your vocabulary, increase your confidence and speak like a native Englishman. Today, let's look at the reported speech. What is it? Let's have a look. So, reported speech is used to talk about what someone said earlier. I can say something at 9 o'clock, and then someone else at 9:30 can essentially quote what I said. I like to teach English. He said he likes to teach English. So the main verb said is in a different place in each sentence. So you could say, someone could say, I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel happy. Direct speech, present tense. Direct speech, I, present tense, right now, happening here and now. Present tense, important. But then, someone could turn around and say, Jessica said that she felt happy. Adrian said that he felt happy. Or whoever the speaker is here, James. James said, I feel happy. Said James. James said that he felt happy. He felt happy this morning. So that is quite interesting. That goes after said. Jessica said that she felt, not feel, she felt happy. Because now it's the past simple verb, past simple tense for the verb. This was the present, I feel happy now. He said he felt happy then. Yeah. Felt, because it's now in the past tense. You felt happy at 9 o'clock? Oh, he said that he felt happy at 9 earlier. Now it's 10 o'clock. Yeah, that was it earlier. It said earlier, now. Yeah. So interesting how the sentence changes a little bit when you're talking about what somebody else said in the past. I felt happy. I feel excited. I feel excited. Adrian said that he felt excited. He felt excited. Is he excited now? Go and ask him. Go and ask him. So let's look at the way let's look at this. Your car. Your car is modern. Your car is nice. Your car is nice. Your car is nice. It's nice. And someone else, he said that your car is nice. He said that your car is modern. Did you hear him? He said. Yeah. Yeah, cool. But let's look at how the sentence is made. So subject, James or your, with said, quite consistent. James said that. And this is optional. James said that. He, subject, he, past simple, felt, sentence, happy. Subject, James said that your, subject, your, past simple, your car is modern. Is modern. Is modern. Subject, your car. James said that your car is modern. Let's look at this then. Your house is big and beautiful. Your house is big and beautiful. He said that your house is big and beautiful. Yeah. We're simply relaying what somebody else said to someone else in the past. Used to talk about what someone said earlier. The key word there is earlier. He said something and I'm reporting on it. Blah, 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 blah. He said blah, blah, blah. He said, not me. He said this earlier today, not me. He said it. Interesting stuff. Let's keep going. Let's look at then this tell. Tell in reported speech. The main verb is followed by an object showing who is talking to whom. Who is talking to who? I told her this secret. I am going to tell her something tonight. She's going to be told what to do. He said something. He said, he said he did not get enough sleep. Oh, he said he did not get enough sleep. So he told me he did not get enough sleep. He said he did not get enough sleep. He told me he didn't get enough sleep. He told me. He said he wanted to learn Spanish. He told me that he wanted to learn Spanish. That's what he told me. He told me this. He told me this. They told us they bought a new car. They told us they bought a new car. He told me he was going to France. He told me he was going to China. She told me she was in England. She told me that she was going to be in England by now. That can be left out. She told me something. They told us something else. That can be left out. Don't necessarily need it with told, which talks about that here as well. But and interesting, actually, one of these common mistakes between say and tell is so say and said. He said that, it's correct. He said me that, which is incorrect. Said can't have an object attached to it. We can't say he said me that this happened. No. He said, like just announcing, he said this. He said it was okay. He told everyone, he said it was okay. He said to me, no, it doesn't quite sound right. He said to me it was okay, but then you could say he told me. Get rid of the to. He said that we're going to Grasmere. He said me that we're going to Grasmere. Doesn't make sense. Said can't have an object attached to it. Said me. He said to them. He said to her. No, he told her. He told them. He told me that we're going to Grasmere. That's okay. If you're going to include the object, which is me, or someone they're going to talk to, me or they or him or her, it. He told it to be quiet. He told her to go to the party. He said to her, go to the party. But then again, you could just use he told her to go to the party. He said to her, he told her to go. I'm telling you to go. Telling you to go. I'm telling you to go. I said this. I said that. He told that he. Ooh, that's wrong. Told must have an object. He told me that he went to Grasmere. He told her that she went. He told her that he went to the Lake District, to Grasmere. Told needs to have an object. He, it, them, she, her, him, I, you, me, them. And said can't have an object. He said, because it's reporting what he said. Just he said this. Doesn't matter who, he said it. He just announced it. He said this. He said he's going to France. He said he's going to Andorra. He told me he's going to Andorra. She told me that she is going to Andorra. He said he's going to Andorra. She said she's going to North Korea. He told me he's going to South Korea. That's what he told me specifically. He told me this himself. It's an interesting mistake. Say and tell. Subtle difference as well on the grammar. So that's interesting. Yeah. Cool. But if you want to keep learning English and you want to expand your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman, then subscribe to the channel below and press the bell notification next to it if you want to, well, watch more videos. Until then, bye for now.